Hello friends, welcome back. In last math lesson video, we learned how to solve single digit and double digit multiplication process. But in today's video, we are going to learn and solve how to do 3-digit multiplication process. Are you ready for that? Yay! Let's get started. So let's take 345 times 123. Before we start solving this problem, I want to tell you guys it's pretty much the same process what we learned in the last video of how to solve 2-digit multiplication process. First, we're going to multiply all these three numbers with number 3. Once we are done with number 3, we're going to repeat the process of multiplying top 3 numbers with number 2. And once we are done with number 2, we're going to repeat the process one more time with number 1. We're going to multiply top 3 numbers. Let's start multiplying with number 3. So 3 times 5 equals to 15. We take this 5, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. This 1 can go on top of number 4. Next, 3 times 4 equals to 12. Plus the 1 we have in our hand, we're going to add this in number 12. 2 plus 1 equals to 3 and 1, 13. We're going to take this number 3, put it over here, and we have 1 in our hand. That 1 can go on top of 3. Next, 3 times 3 equals to 9 plus the 1 we have in our hand. We're going to add that in 9. So 9 plus 1 equals to 10. We do not have any more number to multiply with 3. So we're just going to simply put down this 10 over here. We are done with number 3 and adding these two numbers. I'm crossing it off so you don't get confused. Alrighty, now let's move on to number 2. But before we start multiplying, remember we always put down a 0 at the ones place. Alright, now let's do it. 2 times 5 equals to 10. We're gonna take this 0, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. That 1 can go on top of number 4. Next, 2 times 4 equals to 8 plus the 1 we have in our hand. We're going to add these two numbers. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. We do not have any number for the carryover, so we're just going to put down this 9 over here. Next, 2 times 3 equals to 6. That is it with number 2. Alright, now we are on the last step. We're going to multiply with number 1. But before that, you're going to put down 0 at ones place and 0 at tens place. 1 times 5 equals to 5. 1 times 4 equals to 4. 1 times 3 equals to 3. That is it, guys, and we're gonna add these numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5 right here. 3, 0, 0, so it's 3 over here. 9 plus 4 equals to 14. We take this 4, put it, we have 1 in our hand. That 1 can go on top of number 1. Now let's add these numbers. 4 plus 6, 10, plus 1, 11, plus 1 is 12. So we take this 2, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. That 1 can go on top of number 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. That is it. 345 times 123 equals to 42,435. Let's do another problem. Let's take 321 times 231. First thing, we're going to multiply with number 1. So 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 2 equals to 2. 1 times 3 equals to 3. We are done with number 1. I'm crossing it off so you don't get confused. Next, we're going to multiply with number 3. But before that, remember, we always put a 0 at ones place. So 3 times 1 equals to 3. 3 times 2 equals to 6. 3 times 3 equals to 9. We are done with number 3 as well. We're going to move on to number 2. But before that, we're going to put 0 at ones place and 0 at the tens place. Alright, 2 times 1 equals to 2. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 2 times 3 equals to 6. That is it. We're done multiplying. Now we're just going to add these numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 3 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 2, 11. So we're going to take this one, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. We can put that 1 on top of number 9. Next, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Plus 4, 14. We're going to take this 4, put it over here. We have 1 in our hand. We can put that on top of number 6. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. That is it. 321 times 231 equals to 74,151. Alright friends, that's it for today. I hope you learn how to solve 3-digit multiplication process from this video. Practice, practice, practice at home. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.